Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss current affairs of June 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 2021. Top 20 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Where will be Kerala's first vaccine manufacture unit established? Answer. Life Science Park, Thonakkal. Kerala Cabinet on Wednesday decided to initiate steps to establish a vaccine manufacturing unit at the government-run Life Science Park here. A working group has formed to conduct discussions with prominent vaccine manufacturing firms in the country. IAS officer Dr. S. Chitra was appointed as the project director of proposed scheme. Life Science Park, Thonakkal. Bio 360 Life Science Park is a biotechnology and life science park in the city of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, India. Established in 2013 by the government of Kerala, the phase 1 of the park is spread over 75 acres. Founded on August 2013, type of business, government owned, owner, Government of Kerala. Second question. Who has been re-elected as the Secretary General of UN? Answer. Antonio Guterres. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres is all set to be re-elected as the chief of the world body after the powerful Security Council adopted by acclamation a resolution recommending his name to the General Assembly for second 5-year term being January 1, 2022. Antonio Guterres. Antonio Manuel de Oliveira Guterres, GCC GCL, is a Portuguese politician serving since 2017 as the 9th Secretary General of United Nations. A member of Portuguese Socialist Party, he served as the Prime Minister of Portugal from 1995 to 2002. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and be the center of harmonizing the actions of nations. Next question. Who has won the Pen Pinter Prize 2021 recently? Answer. Chitsi Dangberga. Chitsi Dangberga, a Booker shortlist writer from Zimbabwe, has won the Pen Printer Prize 2021. According to the website, the annual award is given to an author who has significant body of poetry, essays, plays, or fiction of outstanding literary merit written in English. Pen Pinter Prize. The Pen Pinter Prize and the Pinter International Writer of Courage Award both comprise an annually literary award launched in 2009 by English Pen in honor of the late Nobel Literature Prize winning playwright Harold Pinter, who had been a vice president of English Pen and active member of International Pen Editors in Present Committee. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a landlocked country in southern Africa, known for its dramatic landscape and diverse wildlife, much of it within parks, reserves and safari areas. Fourth question. Which institute has ranked as world's top research university revealed by QS World Ranking 2022? Answer. IISc. Bangalore is the city of scientific institution and the Indian Institute of Science or IISc has greatly contributed to that reputation. Research has flourished in Bangalore because of the science ecosystem built by entities like IISc. IISc Bangalore. The Indian Institute of Science is a public deemed research university for higher education and research in science, engineering, design and management. It is located in Bangalore, the Indian state of Karnataka. Fifth question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer. Anup Chandra Pandey. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Secretary Anup Chandra Pandey on Tuesday appointed as the new Election Commissioner. Pandey retired as the Chief Secretary of UP in August 2019. Anup Chandra Pandey. Anup Chandra Pandey is retired 1984 batch Indian Administrative Service Officer belonging to the Uttar Pradesh cadre. He is currently the Election Commissioner of India. Education at Punjab Engineering College. Office Election Commissioner of India since 2021. Books Governance in Ancient India from Rigvedic period to CAD 650. Election Commissioner of India. Election Commissioner of India are member of Election Commission of India, a body constitutionally empowered to conduct free and fair election in India to the national and state legislatures. The election commissioners are usually retired IAS or IRS officers. Next question. Who has won Kesavadev 2021 award recently? Answer. Thomas Jacob and SR Joshi. Veteran journalist Thomas Jacob and Padma Shri Dr. Shashank R. Joshi bagged the 17th P. Kesavadev Awards instituted by the P. Kesavadev Trust. 7th question. Which country will be hosting 2032 Olympics next month? Answer. Brisbane. Brisbane will be offered as the 2032 Olympics host for the International Olympic Committee members to confirm in Tokyo next month. IOC President Thomas Bach said after an executive board meeting, Brisbane can be awarded hosting rights at July 21 meeting ahead of the Tokyo Olympics opening. Olympics. The 2032 Olympics, officially known as the Games of XXXV Olympiad, is the forthcoming international multi-sport event expected to take place in Brisbane, Australia. Brisbane, capital of Queensland, is a large city on Brisbane River. Clustered in the South Bank cultural precinct are the Queensland Museum and Science Centre with noted interactive exhibitions. Next question. When is World Day for Child Labour celebrated? Answer. 12 June. The World Day Against Child Labour is an international labour organization sanctioned holiday first launched in 2002 aiming to raise awareness and activism to prevent child labour. 9th question. Who has become the first Muslim federal judge of America? Answer. Shahid Qureshi. The US Senate has approved the historic nomination of Pakistan American Zahid Qureshi to the District Court in New Jersey, making him as the first Muslim federal judge in the country's history. Next question. Who has won the 2021 French Open Women's title? Answer. Barbora Krejcikova. This was Krejcikova's first Grand Slam title in singles and her 6th Grand Slam title overall. Next question. What was the theme of World Day Against Child Labour 2021? Answer. Act Now, End Child Labour. World Day Against Child Labour 2021. The theme this year is Act Now, End Child Labour. World Day Against Child Labour is observed on every June 12 year around the world. The day aims to spread awareness about illegal practice of child labor that still prevails. Important days and themes of June. June 1st, World Milk Day. Sustainability in Dairy Sector theme. June 1, Global Day of Parents. Theme, appreciate all parents throughout the world. June 2nd, Telangana Formation Day. June 3rd, World Bicycle Day. June 4th, International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggressive. June 5, World Environment Day. Theme is Ecosystem Restoration. June 6, National Day of Sweden since 1983. June 6, World Pest Day. June 7, Food Safety Day. World Food Safety Day. Save food today for a healthy tomorrow. June 8, World Ocean Day. Theme, the ocean, life and livelihoods. Twelfth question, who has been awarded with the Pulitzer Prize 2021 recently? Answer, Megha Rajgopalan. Megha Rajgopalan, an Indian origin journalist, along with the two contributors, has won Pulitzer Prize for innovative investigate reports that exposed a vast infrastructure of prisons and mass internment camps secretly built by China for detaining hundreds of thousands of Muslims in its restive Xinjiang region. Pulitzer Prize. The Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievements in newspaper, magazine, and online journalism, literature, and musical composition within the United States. Ceremony date 11 June 2021. First awarded in 1917. Awarded for excellence in newspaper, journalism, literary achievements, musical compositions, presented by Columbia University. Next question. When did UEFA Euro 2020 Football Championship started? Answer, June 11th. The tournament, to be held in 11 cities in 11 UEFA countries, was originally scheduled from 12 June to 12 July 2020. The tournament was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic in Europe and rescheduled for 11 June to 11 July 2021. The tournament retains the name UEFA Euro 2020. UEFA European Championship. The UEFA European Football Championship, commonly known as UEFA European Championship and informally as the Euros, is a primary association football competition contest by the senior men's national teams of the members of Union of European Football Association, determining the continental champion of Europe. It was founded on 1958. Region Europe. Number of team 24 finals. Current champion Portugal. Most successful team Germany and Spain. 14th question. When is World Blood Donor Day observed? Answer, June 14. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated each year on June 14 to raise awareness of the need of safe blood and blood products and to thank voluntarily unpaid blood donors for their life-saving gift of blood. The theme of World Blood Donor Day 2021 is Give Blood and Keep the World Beating. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of MyLab? Answer, Akshay Kumar. Bollywood superstar Akshay Kumar has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of biotechnology company MyLab Discovery Solutions. This announcement comes day after Pune-based firm launched the country's first COVID-19 self-test kit, CoviSelf. More points. The Indian Council of Medical Research, the apex body of India for formulation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research, is one of the oldest and largest medical research bodies in the world. Headquarters is at New Delhi, founded in 1911. Chairman Professor Balram Bhargava. Short form is ICMR. About my lab. It was founded on 2016 May 31. Headquarters is at Pune. 16th question. Which village has become the first village in India to get vaccinated for all citizens above 18? Answer. Vayan. Vayan, a village in district Bandipora, Jammu and Kashmir, has become the first village in the country where the entire population above 18 has been vaccinated. Next question. Which IIT has won the NSG Innovator Award recently? Answer. IIT Roorkee. Professor Shailesh Ganupale from Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Roorkee, has been conferred with NSG Counter IED and Counter Terrorism Award 2021 for his contribution and innovation of the design development of blast resistant helmet. The award was conferred in a ceremony held at NSG campus, Manesar, Haryana. Next question. When is World Albinism Awareness Day observed? Answer. June 13. International Albinism Awareness Day is observed on June 13th. This day is marked to raise and create awareness among the people albinism and the human rights of the people with albinism. Next question. Which ministry has launched Namaste Yoga app recently? Answer. Ministry of Ayush. Namaste Yoga, a mobile application, was launched yesterday in the curtain raiser event for the 7th International Day of Yoga. The event was organized by Ministry of Ayush in association with the Morarji Desai Institute of Yoga. International Day of Yoga is on 21 June. Next question. Name the app launched by Pune City Police to ensure effective patrolling recently. Answer. My Safe Pune app. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar on Friday inaugurated My Safe Pune app, an initiative by Pune City Police to ensure effective patrolling by beat marshals and offer quick response to people during any incident of crime. Deputy CM of Maharashtra is Ajit Pawar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.